I felt like a little kid in like 7th grade art class. Yeah, this was good.
It was a great time, got to come here, got to learn a lot, got to see the process firsthand. The owners, everybody here was great on hands-on helping, and I had a great experience, good time.
Honestly, how they teach everything here, it is great, and they answer every single one of your questions. So come prepared, ask your questions, and you won't be disappointed.
But I have not used an epoxy that is so easy and consistent. This epoxy, the product itself almost does the work for you.
I thought it was awesome. We've been in the floor industry for a little while now, and so they actually taught us things that we're going to take back into the industrial area and use it as well as doing in these metallic floors. It was very helpful. It was worth the trip for sure.
These guys actually know what the heck they're doing, so I was like, we need to go out there.
They weren't like hiding anything. They were like educating. So we really liked the fact that they were really cared about like how their product was, that their installers were thoroughly educated on what to do and what not to do.
Personally, myself, I love it. I already put it in my house before I came to the class, and I did probably 3/4 of my downstairs of my house with the coffee and the brass, and my wife loves it. We love it. It's beautiful. It really is. We had tile. I tore it all out, put that in there, and it's going to be there for a long time.
I really like the simplicity. Just, go along and just mix it.
It was worth every penny coming out here.